Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this quick storm update on this Sunday, February 5th. And right now I'd say unless we see something with the 12Z run of the models, the pieces just aren't coming together right now for a major storm here early this week. Looks like that will happen, but it'll happen to the northeast of us as of right now. Again, we'll take another look at the 12Z run. So the headlines basically would be for a mixed bag of freezing rain, sleet, and rain, especially across central and northern Michigan, late Monday night into early Tuesday, and then we'll have colder air come in with some snow showers. And then we'll look at another system early next week or early to middle of next week that could bring us a little bit more in the way of snowfall. But again, that's way off, and we won't worry about that until we get past this storm here. If we look at conditions out there this morning, temperatures mainly in the upper 20s to low 30s. And if we look at the forecast map by 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, you can see about 1/10 to as much as maybe 2 or 3/10 of an inch of precipitation will fall in. Some of that in the form of rain, sleet, and freezing rain. Again, the better chance of that will be farther north you go, but then that's where you also see less in the way of precipitatable amounts. Now the concern is, as we get before about 1 a.m. on Tuesday, or 1 p.m. Tuesday, we'll have seen up to about 1/4 to maybe more than a 1/2 inch. And so any of these rural roads could get very, very icy again once that frost begins to lift back out of the ground. It'll freeze on contact. So again, we could definitely still have some issues with schools on Tuesday and possibly into Wednesday. As snow showers come in, we could see a couple of inches of snow. So again, this could be still something we're going to have to deal with. But right now, as far as a major winter storm, that doesn't look likely. Again, there's a couple of pieces of energy that we're going to really intensify the storm, and it will intensify. But again, it looks like it's going to be off to our north or east by the time that happens. And as far as those who like winter weather, not a lot of great news here over the next about a week to 10 days as we are going into the warm phases of 5, 6, and 7 on the Madden-Julian oscillation. And again, not until we get out here at about phase 8 and we get into phase 8, that's a colder phase for much of central and eastern U.S. And again, we'll move through that into phase 1 and 2 here over the about 20 days, starting in about 10 days, 11 days. But again, until then, we do have a chance of snow again, like I said, earlier to the middle part of next week. But again, we could see a pretty warm surge of air again, so any snow we get very likely could melt again. So not a great setup for winter enthusiasts. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great Sunday, and 73s to all.